Good evening, everyone. My name is Isuan Orza, number ID 19292. So, ready the presentation podcast. Module BUS 42123, lecture Entrepreneurship versus Entrepreneurship, submitted by Ioan Orza. Podcast title: Entrepreneurship Today Driving Innovation Economic Growth. Introduction: May content entrepreneurship versus entrepreneurship impact or CMS of the economy, environments that foster or hinder entrepreneurship, conclusion, and references. So let's start. Introduction. Hello and welcome to our podcast by Bright Spark Business Solution, the meeting place for business innovation and growth. My name is Ioan Orza and I'm business analyst and passionate intrigued to introduce the constantly changing world of entrepreneurship to the future ladder. Today's episode will be about entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship, where I will define both and explain how they are different from each other and why they are important to the economy. Small and medium enterprise is what will be also try and understand how they contribute to boosting local and global economies. Finally, we'll expose external factors that can either be ally or competitor preventing entrepreneurial ventures. And I with that, if you have your coffee, your cup of tea, get cozy and let's get going. Main contact entrepreneurship versus entrepreneurship. First of all, to what difference does entrepreneurship and entrepreneurship? You need to start what is the difference between the two. The term entrepreneurship describes to business and starting from scratch a new business enterprise, which normally involves plenty of creativity, innovation, and commitment of personal risk. The best enterprise creating something entirely new, launching a teach startup, opening an independent coffee or new product that would disrupt the market. On the contrary, entrepreneurship occurs within the existing organization structure. The idea is that employer and entrepreneurs yet somehow working for a company who provide from a backing and resources to this employer to do their entrepreneurial thing. Entrepreneurs rather decide to use their entrepreneurial mindset to innovate or reinvent how process, services, a product are done within the business. Gmail is entrepreneur now example who developed this at Google. While entrepreneurs and entrepreneurship play different role for the economic and organizational growth, are the both necessary and many ways equally important. Job creation and diversification in the markets are provided by the entrepreneurs who introduce a business and the industries. However, entrepreneurs help the great companies in the world, including Google and 3M, to stay ahead in the competitive world by continuously innovating from within. Together, this dynamic circle of innovation creates a momentum and becomes a driving force in innovation and progress, resilience and long-term success in a both innovative and all drives. Impact or CMS of the economy. Small and medium-sized enterprise and CMS are the glory unsung in the world economy. Their impact be anything but small considering their modest size. According to the Federation of the Small Business (FSB) 2023, nearly every single of the all business in the UK or CMS, of the which there are more than 99% in the UK alone. As a group, this company employs 60 million people and generating influential £2.3 trillion revenue for the UK economy. It is important for the effects to go beyond national border. Its CMS make up over 90% of all the business, contribute about half all total employer across the world. This clearly shows their critical role in creating and rising jobs, but broadly economic growth and resilience of economies across the world. They have inspiring and illustrate example of CMS success. I will take the example of a small craft brewery already existing in Scotland came into being very small expenditure of about £5,000 and then got transformed into a large brand present around in the world more than 60 countries. Take Gymshark for example, a fitness apparel company origin in the garage by a non-billion-pound enterprise within a global following. The main difference between CMA and big corporates is their ability to innovate, be quick, change it by March strength to work quickly. Often they are large enough to be flexible and their decision making more customer focused and quick to develop new ideas. At the same time, in this healthy local economy is projected to contribute the dynamism of global markets. Environmental foster or hinder entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is not any vacuum. Yes, it's not only about having a good idea of care about where you and surrounded by. There are some environments which tend to facilitate an entrepreneurial environment while others do not. On the first things in the location and environments where entrepreneurship is commonplace are normally occurring in the diverse and really supportive factors. Take government policies for example. These tape or thing can be a real lifeline for someone looking to get a business off the ground. Saka initiative for the UK called the Startup Loan Scheme. Their funding getting access to financial support either through venture capital, angel investor, or even crowdfunding is crucial. Luck is can actually live even and bridges ideas to a square one. And we can forgotten education. People are given the tools they need to realize their ideas to turn them into real business by universities that offer enterprise program and program in entrepreneurial skills. And you teach the size strong digital infrastructure coverage in reliable broadband, great e-commerce platform, fintech tools to make is the way easier to start up or grow a business than it was even decade ago. Entrepreneurship runs into significant roadblocks in the same outer environment, excessive regulation and endless red tape that has huge one or the simple but devastating lack of startup capital. And then there the economy sucker being less likely to take big financial risk is things are unstable and in that environment innovation and perishes. Baking in Silicon Valley is, for example, funding network and culture of the find to fail just keep trying. However, in many developing countries, poor infrastructure and difficult bureaucracy can render starting a business close to impossible. Conclusion: thus, in some entrepreneurship as well in entrepreneurship are vital to creative, innovative business addressing challenges of constructing stable economies. As you either start or innovate from within a company, your contribution can go a long way. Small and medium enterprise are the major source of the employer and gross domestic product, and the ability in this enterprise to succeed in largely reliant on the environment in the which they operate. The environment shaped by policies, culture, access to capital and education. Thank you very much for presentation.